Angelica Williams, Giedrius Subačius, and dear colleagues, the students of this university. I'm really delighted and honored to be here with you. Especially, I would say that coming here, I was thinking about this and told to myself, this is a very long journey. Journey which began at Navy Pier, University of Illinois, Chicago branch, when I, for the first time, opened the door to the University of Illinois. It's a long journey. It happened a lot in my personal life, and I believe I can say that there's a great changes globally, great changes in my own country, and I believe that puts the responsibility on all of us from the experience we gained during all those years. When I think that it is 58 years to come from Navy Pier to this university building, I believe that not too many people can claim that, and I would call this probably some record. Anyway, it's a really delight to be here. And when I compare the Navy Pier and this building, what I have seen only for a couple of minutes, what a change. And I believe the student body which attends this university definitely even cannot imagine in their dreams that the beginning of that University of Illinois branch at Navy Pier, the conditions we had, but I can reassure you, we had the same enthusiasm, same dedication, same drive which you have right here today.